Have you ever wondered what really separates old money from new money? It's not just about how much wealth you have. It's about how you manage it, grow it, and pass it on. Stick around. I'll show you how understand these differences can help you build lasting wealth for your family. Hey, I'm Anthony Doty. I'm here to help you automate your routine, manage what matters, and dominate your financial futures one step at a time. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of old money versus new money and what you can learn from both to create your own financial legacy. So what's the problem? Here's the thing. Whether you're just starting out or already building wealth, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking new money is all about flashy purchases and old money is untouchable. But that mindset keeps you stuck. Why is this important? Because understanding how wealth is built, preserved, and passed on is key to creating a financial legacy that lasts. So what's the solution? By combining the best lessons from both old money and new money, you can build a strategy that grows wealth and sustains it across generations. What is old money versus new money? Let's take a look at it. So old money. So this refers to wealth that's being passed down through generations. Think families like the Rockefellers or Vanderbilts. So why does this matter? Because old money focuses on the preservation, the discipline, and long-term planning. Their wealth is tied to investments, businesses, and assets that grow steadily over time. So learn how adopting the principles of old money like patience and strategic investment can create financial security for you and your family. All right, let's look at new money. New money is wealth earned recently, often by entrepreneurs, athletes, and entertainers. Think Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, or self-made millionaires. Why does this matter? So new money tends to focus on innovation, risk-taking, and rapid growth. So understanding how leveraging and the creativity and the drive of new money can accelerate your financial growth and take your goals to the next level. So let's look at some key differences between old money and new money. So let's talk about the mindset. Old money, focus on stability, tradition, and maintaining wealth. New money, focus on bold moves, quick wins, and personal achievement. So by balancing these mindsets, you can grow wealth while ensuring it lasts. So let's take a look at spending habits. Old money, discreet and value-oriented, prioritizing investments over consumption. New money, often associated with luxury and high-profile spending. So adopting a mix of discretion and strategic spending helps you avoid debt and build long-term assets. So let's take a look at generational planning. So old money, wealth is passed down with careful estate planning and education. New money, wealth may be focused on the individual with less thought given to a legacy. Creating a generational plan ensures your hard-earned wealth benefits your family for years to come. So what can we learn from both? So from old money, preservation, focus on assets like property, investments, and businesses that grow steadily. Discipline, stick to long-term goals and avoid flashy spending. Legacy, teach financial literacy to your children and include them in the planning. With these principles, help you create security and a lasting impact. Now let's jump over to new money. So innovation, be open to taking risk and exploring new opportunities like starting a business or investing in tech. Agility, adapt quickly to financial trends and changes in the market. Ambition, set big goals and go after them. These traits inspire growth and show that anyone can build wealth, no matter where they start. So why does this matter? Let's take a look at 3 whys. So why learn from old money? Because stability and discipline ensure your wealth lasts for generations. Let's take a look at the second why. Why learn from new money? Because ambition and risk-taking are the building blocks of rapid growth. Why combine both? Because balancing these approaches gives you the best of both worlds, a strategy that's both ambitious and sustainable. What do you think is the biggest difference between old money and new money? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And let's talk about how you can apply these lessons to your own financial journey. If you have specific questions, let me know. I might feature them in my next video. So let's take a look at some additional benefits in understanding this, right? So 1, clarity and focus. You'll see wealth building as a blend of strategy and action rather than an unattainable goal. You gain confidence knowing you have a clear path forward. Better decision making. By understanding the pitfalls of overspending and the value of patience, you'll make smarter choices. You avoid financial mistakes and focus on meaningful growth. Empowered legacy building. You'll have the tools to not only grow wealth, but ensure it benefits your family long term. You create a sense of pride and a purpose for yourself and your loved ones. Remember when I said old money loves preservation? Let's just say they're not the ones driving around in the brand new Lamborghinis, but hey, they probably own the company that makes them. So why can I help? So I work with clients who want to build wealth from scratch and others who want to preserve what they've already built. The truth is, the best financial strategies combine the principles of both old and new money. I'm here to show you how to create a plan that works for you and your unique situation. So which approach do you connect with more, old money or new money? Let me know in the comments below. If you're ready to start building your own financial legacy, book a free consultation with me today. Together, we'll create a plan that's ambitious, sustainable, and tailored to your goals. Remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating step by step. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.